Good morning, kids. Welcome to your English grammar class. I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we learn comparison of adjectives. So, children, can you guess who is bigger in this picture? Lion or tiger? Yes, here lion is bigger than tiger. So when we compare two nouns, that is of person, place or an animal, is called comparative degree. Now what's this picture? Here Mark is 6 years old, Harry is 4 years old and Rick is 10 months old. We can understand that Mark is young, Harry is younger than Mark and Rick is the youngest among all three. Here we can see all the 3 degrees. First one is positive, that is Mark is young, because in this we can see only one person. Second is comparative degree, as there is the comparison between Harry and Mark. And the third is superlative degree, as there is the comparison between all the 3, Mark, Harry and Rick. That means comparison between more than one or two nouns. See one more example. The suitcase is heavy. The sack is heavier than the suitcase. The 2 bags are the heaviest of all. Here first one is positive degree, as there is only one suitcase. Second is comparative degree, as the sack and the suitcase are being compared. And the third is superlative degree, as all the bags are compared, so it is called superlative degrees. The positive degree is used for one person or one thing. Example: Paul is short, Anne is thin. Here we are talking about one person. First one is Paul and the second one is Anne. So it is a positive degree. The comparative degree is used when two persons or things are compared. Paul is shorter than Rick. Rebecca is thinner than Anne. So in both the pictures, two persons are compared with each other. So it is called a comparative degree. The superlative degree is used when we compare more than 3 persons or things. Example: Mary is the shortest girl in class. Rebecca is the thinnest woman in Malta. Here we can see the comparison between more than 2 persons. So it is a superlative degree. Now see the main points. We add ER for the comparative degrees and EST for the superlative degrees. Example: cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Hard, harder, hardest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Old, older, oldest. If they end in E, you add R and ST. Example: safe, safer, safest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Close, closer, closest. When there are both the vowels as well as consonant at the end of the word, we double the last letter. Example, big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Sad, sadder, saddest. When there is Y at the end of the word, we have to add IER and IEST to the words. Example, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Busy, busier, busiest. In comparative adjective with two or more syllables used more in the comparative and most in the superlative degree, less in the comparative and least in the superlative degree. Example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Generous, more generous, and most generous. Dirty, less dirty, and least dirty. The following are irregular adjectives, means they do not change by adding er or est. Example, good, better, best. Many, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. So I hope you understood the comparison of adjectives. Okay, children, have a nice day. Thank you.